Today you'll take the quiz for Section 11-1 in Social Studies. Remember to put your name and your date and the class period at the top of the page. The first section are true and false. You need to indicate whether the statement's true or false. You can write a T, an F, or you can write the words true or false. Number 1, the period in history when many people left their homes and farms to work in mills was called the Industrial Revolution. Number 2, New England offered ideal conditions for farming. Number 3, a patent gives a person legal rights regarding an invention. Number 4, corporations developed rapidly in the 1830s when legal obstacles to their formation were removed. Number 5, libraries, museums, and a variety of shops were in plentiful supply in rural America in the 1800s. The next section is multiple choice. You need to indicate the choice that best answers the question. Number 6, what was at the heart of the Industrial Revolution? Was it A, the cotton gin, B, new machines and new technology, C, farms, rivers, and streams, or D, the steam generator? Number 7, what was a significant development in the way goods were made? Was it A, development of mills, B, economic factors, C, the factory system, or D, the Wealthy Merchant Association? Number 8, what helped to increase cotton production? Was it A, the cotton gin, B, the cotton mill, C, the factory system, or D, the steam generator? Number 9, in what area did many new industrial towns develop? A, along mountain ranges, B, near oceans and bays, C, near other large towns, or D, along rivers and streams?